นุษย์ทุกคนจริงๆคือสิ่งที่เขาอยากที่จะทำจริงๆคือเขาไม่ได้พยายามทำสิ่งที่ผู้อื่นทำไม่ดีสิ่งที่ผู้อื่นพูดเมื่อกี้นี่คือว่า
This morning in Krabi, we are going to be doing some island hopping all day long. Specifically, we are going to be visiting the Hong Island, Lao Lading Island, and Gao Pak Bia. We booked a private charter longtail boat, so we're waiting for them to come pick us up and take us to the Ao Nang Beach area. That way we can depart from there and start our tour this morning. For Linda? Yes, that's correct. I'll go over here. I'll go over here. We just got picked up right now. A little private van. Oh my god, so extra. Look, it's like decorated with diamonds. Okay. We're okay. Do you guys need toilet? No, I think we're okay. What was your name again?
Boost?
Boost?
Yeah.
Okay. Beautiful weather today. Not too sunny. Okay, this one over here?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Our own private That was a pretty rough ride, but we just landed. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Right here. Tanbo Korani National Park, yes. We're gonna go for a little dip. Gonna grab some food because we did not eat any breakfast at all this morning. Oh. Pack kapow for us and then fried rice for Shiny. Pack kapow. So good. We are leaving to the next island. It started pouring and raining like 15 minutes ago and now it's like beautiful weather. Fighting for my life right now. Oh. Yes. Yes.